side of row number 3. In the 6M, he's out of Bluefield, West Virginia. It's going to be Freddie Mooney. Bringing up the rear in the number 37 car, it's last week's feature winner. It's going to be Daniel Lowe. 5 laps the distance. Going green flag out of turn 4. We're underway for heat race action in the Outlaw Street. Harley Rains leading down into turn number 1. The one-legged bandit. That's going to be Adam Cooper in the 2nd spot. Jesse Rains up the 3rd, and from the tail is already Daniel Lowe into that 4th spot. Coming around to complete lap number 2 of this 5-lap heat race. It's been all Harley Rains out front. Adam Cooper going to lose the handle. He's going to collect. We've got him wadded up down in turn number 2. We've got the omelet shop. We've got him scattered, covered, and smothered. The 88 car down there. That's going to be Charlie Dunbar. It looks like Jesse Rains involved. And Daniel Lowe was on the move from the back of the field, slapping the guardrail. Green flag is back out. We're underway. Harley Rains going to lead him down into turn 1. Adam Cooper in that 2nd spot. 3rd spot's going to be Freddie Mooney. 4th spot will be Teddy Richardson. Charlie Dunbar back there in the 88 machine. Freddie Mooney now looking to the inside. We're going to get a spin cycle down in turn number 1 and 2. Green flag is out. We're back underway. Harley Rains going to lead him down into turn number 1. Freddie Mooney going to work to the inside. Adam Cooper going to slide up that high line. Charlie Dunbar hanging right there in the 4th spot. White flag is out. Just one more time around for Harley Rains. Dunbar going to lose the handle down in 1 and 2. Green flag is out. We're underway. Shane Greco going to lead him down into turn number 1. Andrew Lankford going to look to that middle line. Here comes Kenny Rucker in the 75. Greco going to work the low line. Lankford the middle. Down the front straightaway, give Greco the lead by about 3 car lengths. He's starting to stretch away from your second place car of Andrew Lankford. Kenny Rucker now starting to run down Lankford for that 2nd spot. Out front in cruise control with Shane Greco working the bottom side of the speedway. Now out to about a 5 car length lead. Rucker now on Lankford for that 2nd spot. Down the back straightaway. The popsicle sticks are out. 2 laps left to go for Shane Greco. White flag is out just one more time around for the 33G. Meanwhile, back for the second spot. The 46 is under attack from the 75 of Rucker. Lankford going to change up his line slightly there in 1 and 2 with a slider line. He's going to pull away from the 75. Give the heat race win to Shane Greco in the 33G. Second spot will go to Andrew Lankford in the 46. Third will go to Kenny Rucker in the 75. Fourth will be Robert Ray Roberts in the 8R machine. Green flag out of turn number 4. TJ Salango going to lead him down into turn number 1. Second spot's going to be Evan McReynolds. Third spot, Matthew Light. 4 spots, Mondo. Down the front straightaway to complete lap number 1. Our defending track champion, the 18, TJ Salango, making it look easy. We're going to lose Evan McReynolds around down in turn number 1. Green flag is out. We're underway. Salango going to lead the way. Light down to the second spot. McReynolds in the third spot. Cross flags out. We're halfway home in this second heat race. The battle for the second spot heating up. Matthew Light under attack from Evan McReynolds. He's going to look to the inside. He pulls the trigger down the back straightaway. Into 3 and 4. Give the advantage out of turn 4 to McReynolds. After spinning out down in turn number 1, he's back up to the second spot as he works to the inside. Elliott rearranging the Uke tires for us down there in turn number 2. White flag is out one more time around. Contact down in 3 and 4. Matthew Light getting into the 34 machine. Caution flag going to come out. Green flag is out. We're back underway. 1 lap shootout for TJ Salango and Evan McReynolds. Checkered flag going to come out into 3 and 4. Give heat race number 2 to our defending track champion, TJ Salango. Second spot will be Evan McReynolds. Third spot, Matthew Light. Mondo into Cott in the 4th spot.